How to install NordPass Password Manager on Linux. This upload explains how to download and install the NordPass Password Manager on your Linux device with a few mouse clicks. All you have to do is follow these steps. Go to Linux Snap Store at https://snapcraft.io/nordpass to download nordpass.snap. After the download is completed, check to which folder the application setup was saved. We saved it in our Downloads folder. Open the terminal and run the following line: cd folder's name where NordPass setup was saved. Hint, for example, cd downloads. Then run another command, snap install NordPass. That's it. You successfully installed the native NordPass application. Check your applications and add NordPass to favorites for easy accessibility. And finally, log into your account, install the NordPass extension, create and manage your passwords with ease.